Iterative reconstruction algorithms. We have initial guess, then we have estimated image, then projection leads to projections of estimated image, then we compare with measured projections, there are discrepancies in projection space, then we have back projection, then it leads to discrepancies in image space, then we update the image, and then the process goes on. This is the flowchart of iterative schemes. Iterative image reconstruction, review on filtered back projection, linear model of projection process, algebraic reconstruction techniques or ART, expectation maximization or EM, review on filtered back projection, linear model of projection process. Gi equals sigma j equals 1 to n h I j f I, where I equals 1 to m. M is equal to number of projection angles and X is number of bins in each projection. Algebraic reconstruction techniques. We have the following equations for G1 to Gm. Simultaneous iterative reconstruction techniques. Then we have expectation maximization, maximum likelihood from incomplete data. Theta is parameter to be estimated, y is incomplete data, x is complete data. Find out theta that minimizes likelihood in p y comma theta. Find out iteration. We have Gi equals sigma j h I j f j, expectation maximization, Poisson distribution, EM reconstruction algorithms for emission and transmission tomography. Fk can be calculated by the following equations. Next we have FBP versus iterative reconstruction. It can be shown in the following figure. We have FBP with 16 projection and D equals 1.11. Then we have SART with D equals 0.67. Then we have EM with D equals 0.58. Comparison between analytic and iterative reconstruction algorithms. FBP analytical technique, quick and efficiency, accuracy, direct inversion of the projection formula. It becomes more popular and commercialized in nuclear medicine, needs a lot of filtering. Quantitative imaging is difficult. ART, iterative technique it is. Inaccuracy, allow for a rich description and modeling of blurring, attenuation and scatter etc. Long calculation time, amplification of noise. Image reconstruction from limited data. Digital and computerized data storage and processing, being widely applied to the image reconstruction problems from limited Fourier data. Examples include X-ray diffraction, electron microscopy, undetermined problem, inaccurately reconstructed image results, estimation solutions. Thank you.